Ever encountered an app that looked beautiful but you wish it could do a little bit more? Nandbox Native App Builder is here to fill in this gap. In this video, we will show you how to customize the home menu. Now that you've created your app's branding, let's showcase what your app is capable of with the Nandbox App Builder. The Nandbox App Builder is packed with features you can add to the home menu. Click on Home Menu to add up to 4 features. Each feature is under a category so that you can find the suitable one easily. All you have to do is drag and drop the desired feature to the home menu. After adding it, you can change its name and icon. Feel free to configure each feature when you click on the gear icon. Done adding features? Click on their icons to switch between them and make changes or delete them. Through the preview window, you can still switch between features and see changes as they happen in real time. Explore different app screens to view your home menu from different angles. There you go, your home menu is now ready. Stay tuned for the next video in the series.